Welcome. If you want to keep your favorite Snapchat conversations just a tap away, adding a friend's chat shortcut to your home screen is the perfect solution. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to pin a friend's chat directly to your phone's home screen so you can start chatting instantly without searching through your contacts. First, open up your Snapchat app and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the main camera screen, look to the top left and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page, where you can see your snap code, score, and more. Next, scroll down and tap on My Friends. This will bring up your full friends list. Now, find the friend whose chat you want to pin. Once you spot their name, press and hold down on it until a menu appears. This long press is the key to unlocking more options for that specific friend. With the menu open, look for the three dots at the top corner and tap on them. From the drop-down, select Chat and Notification Settings. Here, you'll see several options to customize your chat experience with this friend. Now, look for the option that says Pin Shortcut to Home Screen. Tap on it. Snapchat will prompt you to confirm that you want to add this shortcut. Go ahead and confirm, and just like that, a shortcut to your friend's chat will appear right on your home screen. Whenever you want to send a quick snap or message, simply tap the shortcut, and you'll jump straight into your chat with that friend. It's a huge time saver and perfect for keeping your closest connections just one tap away. That's all it takes. You've now added a friend's chat shortcut to your home screen on Snapchat. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with your friends so they can pin their favorite chats too. Thanks for watching, and happy snapping.